Hello everybody, we are back on Cultural Cuisine with another exciting and tasty recipe. Today we will be making berry cheesecake muffins. Yes, we are going to do some baking today. And here are the ingredients I've got already for the muffins. I have here 215 grams of self-raising flour, 125 grams of caster sugar, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of raspberry jam, 60 milliliter of oil and 60 grams of mixed berry yogurt. If you don't have mixed berry yogurts, you can just use any raspberry or strawberry yogurt. And here are the ingredients which would go in the filling: 50 grams of cream cheese and 1 tablespoon of raspberry jam extra. Okay, first I'm going to sieve the self-raising flour. Okay, now I'm going to mix all the rest of the ingredients in another bowl. I'm going to mix the sugar, eggs, oil, jam, and the yogurt. I'm going to get a spoon out, take it all out with the help of a spoon. Okay, I'm going to mix them all. Okay, this is ready. I'm going to mix these ingredients in my flour. You have to try not to over mix them at this point. Just mix them until just combined. You can see it's coming nicely together. Okay, I've got my muffin cases ready here. If you don't have muffin cases like this, you can just lightly grease your muffin tin. I've preheated my oven at 160 degrees fan, 350 degrees Fahrenheit and gas mark 4. I'm going to put my muffin cake mixture in my cupcakes. Okay, I'm going to leave this to fill them on top. Now I'm going to add a little bit of cheese in the middle and some jam like this, and then cover it on the top. I'm going to spread it evenly with the help of a spoon or a knife. So the cheese and the jam is fully covered. Obviously when they bake, it would spread even more. They will go in the oven for 30 minutes roughly, or until they're nicely golden brown. So this recipe has given me 7 muffins. If you use a smaller tins or smaller muffin cases, you will probably get more out of them. So I'm going to put these in the oven and take these ones out. They'll go in the oven for 30 minutes. Okay, our muffins are ready. I've taken them out of the oven. They're nice and golden color, and I've let them cool down for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to take one and cut it and let you see what it's going to look like from inside. You can see it's nicely cooked. We've got a bit of filling of jam and cheese in the middle. Okay, that's our berry cheesecake muffins. Hope you like the recipe. Please do like my channels and subscribe it. And if you like the recipe, share it and give it a thumbs up. And press the bell icon to receive the information of next upcoming videos. Thank you for watching Cultural Cuisine. See you with the next recipe.